How water damage restoration prevents mold and structural damage. Water damage can turn a minor leak into a major problem within hours. Left unchecked, water quickly infiltrates floors, walls, and ceilings, setting the stage for mold growth, structural rot, and corrosion. Mold spores begin colonizing in as little as 24 hours on damp surfaces like wood or drywall, while beams and electrical systems can degrade rapidly. Water damage restoration is not just cleanup, it's a critical process that protects the integrity of your home or business by removing both visible and hidden moisture before permanent damage occurs. The restoration process includes emergency inspection, fast water extraction, removal of unsalvageable materials, industrial drying, antimicrobial cleaning, and full repair. Experts use thermal cameras, air movers, and dehumidifiers to stop damage before it spreads. This prevents mold outbreaks, safeguards support beams, preserves foundations, and improves indoor air quality. With fast action and professional care, water restoration saves money, maintains health, and protects your property's long-term value.